in the pursuit of music, in the pursuit of Dhrupad? What's the essence? What are you seeking, if I were to ask you that?
I think we all seek, I mean, when it comes to arts or, music and any form of expression, I think what we all are trying to communicate is things which are true, and which are the inner, and you're trying to sort of extend it out to the external and not really create a separation between the two. And I think these mediums also help you to go within, go within yourself, and discover things which are kind of hidden and bring it out. But at the same time, if you talk about formal Drupad, something that I've been thinking lately is that it also has, it is quite, it has the capacity to, for any artist to be who they are. So if you are not honest to yourself, then it shows. So it kind of, I'm sure there are, most of the musical forms are like that, but with Drupad, it is, something very unique, especially with the alap and the syllables, where you are kind of, naked out there. You can, what you're trying to show and say, it shows. And with poetry you can still hide, with performs like compositions where words and words, you still have that veil. And but with this, with alap, you can just sometimes have to be very, very honest, otherwise it's all going to show. So I think going within and really finding one's true being and expressing it out, being vulnerable out there, I think that's what Drupad and music really, really offers you to, explore that.